Welcome back everybody. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं with one of Pakistan's leading and most successful businessmen and one of the owners of the largest hotel chains in Pakistan, Bairam Avari. मेरे पास दो शुक्रिया आपके लिए. पहले शुक्रिया, firstly thank you for coming on the show. लेकिन second शुक्रिया, आपका hotel hosted हमारा शादी. And it was
जहाँ आपकी शादी बीच लग्जरी में
it was wonderful. आपका staff was really good. Hotel was अच्छा था, and you had 40 goras in आपका hotel, and they had a great time. So thank you very much.
ये मेरी इज्जत है कि आपने मुझे बुलाया, आपने मुझे मौका दिया आपके पास हाजिर होना. और मुझे याद है कि हिसाम यूसुफ ने जो आपकी शादी का अरेंजमेंट किया था, उसने वो इतनी खुशी से कर रहा था, इतना खुश, वो तो एकदम एक्साइटेड था. और ये हमारी खुशी है कि आपकी, हम एडवर्टाइज नहीं करते. आप देखेंगे बीच लग्जरी में शादियों के लिए, क्योंकि जो एक शादी आप सही करें, एक फंक्शन सही करें, वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो जाती है और फंक्शंस के लिए.
Is that the secret of your success? मतलब जब आप इतनी सारी चीज़ें, एक चीज़ नज़र आती है that हर चीज़ को आप बहुत personally you take care of your business. Is that important for success कि आप उसको एक personal touch दें हमेशा?
लेकिन जो आप बड़े महकमे चलाते हैं, you run a big organization. हमारा कनाडा में, हमारा दुबई में, हमारे पास, तो जो आपके साथ काम करते हैं लोग, उनको यही फीलिंग होनी चाहिए कि ये उनका है. दे मस्ट पोजेस इट. जैसे आप देखेंगे लाहौर में डिफेंस में आप जाएंगे तो लाहौरीज दे पोजेस लाहौर. आप लाहौर का ये दिस इज़ अ पोजेशन. सो जो हमारे एग्जीक्यूटिव है, दे पोजेस द होटल्स, सो दे फील इट इज़ देयर. So we have to give that possession to them, and of course it is a very personal business. Hotel business is a personal business. So ये एक develop हो जाता है ना.
And in that package we saw, clearly your parents were a huge inspiration for you. What did they teach you in terms of the hotel business? How did all the skills that you have in today's business?
लेकिन अब बात ये है कि जब से हम पैदा हुए थे तो होटल, मेरे वालिद साहब का पहला होटल था 1944 में. मेरी पैदाइश हुई थी 1941 में. तो हम होटल के साथ रहते थे, तो सुबह लंच डिनर हम साथ खाते थे. तो होटल की बात होती थी, तो एक इनकलकेशन हो जाता है, एक इंडक्शन हो जाता है. ऐसी तरह से मेरे बेटे जब भी उन्होंने यहाँ पे ग्रामर स्कूल में थे, फिर अमेरिकन स्कूल में थे, फिर उन्होंने मैंने बोला चलो हार्वर्ड जाओ, कॉर्नेल जाओ. उन्होंने बोला कि वेयर आर वी गोइंग टू स्टे, हमारा घर कहाँ होने वाला है, वहाँ होने वाला है कि यहाँ. बोले रहना तो यहाँ है, ये घर है हमारा. तो बोला तो फिर हम MBA यहाँ करेंगे. BBA ऑनर्स यहाँ किया, MBA किया, LLB किया. तो एक बात बन जाती है कि आपकी घर की बात. तो जब भी आप ये होते हैं तो आप इंडक्शन हो जाता है होटल बिजनेस में. तो उनकी ख्वाहिश थी कि होटल में जाए. तो ये अभी मेरे ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन को भी ये शौक हो गया है. एक ग्रैंड सन तो बोलता है मैं पॉप स्टार बनूंगा और मैं होटलियर बनूंगा. दोनों साथ.
But you were the same to a certain extent. I mean, did you want to go into the hotel business? क्योंकि your passion, as we saw in there, was yachting. I know you're a keen violinist. Is that true?
I was. I'm not as keen as I was because after 40 years I've not touched the violin, but I was the senior most college of Cambridge in violin. I did that exam from Cambridge.
So, do you think that those could have been your other careers, or?
No, I don't think so, because the adrenaline was flowing from a hotel. You see, मैं एक बात बताऊँ. You look at a golfer. When a golfer is playing golf, his children start playing golf. एक शिकारी होता है, शिकार पे जाते हैं, उसके बच्चे भी शिकारी होते हैं. It's a thing that you follow your father. The father is the inspiration sort of for the men, boys and girls also, and so it is just that it developed that instinct to do that.
But pressure नहीं.
जरा भी नहीं, जरा भी. I mean, no question about it. No question.
अच्छा, अब आपके बच्चे भी they are following the same route. But now you tell us this, कि are you a good father? Or are you a strict boss? How do you differentiate between the two?
I'm not a strict father. I regret that only once I beat one of my sons.
Okay.
And I regret that even now. But otherwise, I don't think I'm a strict boss. I have a short temper, but as you get older, your tempers get lower. But my temper is that it goes out and it's finished. There's nothing in the heart. And if I'm wrong, I apologize. That's a very important thing. जो आप गलत किया काम या गलत बोल दिया, so you must have the strength of character to say I'm sorry and mean it. Not कि I'm sorry. हर आदमी को
So,
जैसे कि जॉर्ज जाके हर लड़की को बोले I love you तो फिर काम नहीं बने ना.
which son did you beat? It wasn't Jinshaw.
That I can't say.
Well, anyway, we have one of your sons talking right now.
Achha.
Take a look at this.
He's a very good father, very easy to be with. He doesn't impose any restrictions on you. At the same time, we've learnt a lot. He's a father as a family, he's a father in business. Both ways we have learnt and we are continuously learning. Even when it is family related issues, it's very easy to talk to him. If there's a problem at work, if there's a problem with my mother, if there's a problem with me or my wife or with anyone at home, or if there's a problem with someone at our work, with one of our staff, he will listen to both sides of the story. He will listen to the whole detail before he makes a decision. There is nothing that I would want to tell my father other than be on time. He's never on time, that's the only thing. And my brothers like him, they're never on time. But that's about it.